are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So I just received my Allure Beauty Box for the month of May, and this is a pretty good timing for Allure. Usually I get it closer to the end of the month, but I feel like in the more recent months it's coming earlier, so that's nice. So if you do not know about Allure Beauty Box, it is pretty freaking awesome. Your first box is only $10 and then it's $15 thereafter, and it is totally worth it. I used to get it a long time ago and it was just okay, but like ever since I resubscribed, I think in November, it has been seriously like killing the beauty box game. We often get full-size items. We even got a Natasha Denona single last month. Like, it's been really good. I know they gave us some spoilers, like they gave like a scratch-off card last month where you can kind of see a sneak peek of what is coming in this box, but I honestly don't really remember. Surprise, surprise. I always kind of forget spoilers, and I also try to avoid them. I don't watch any videos before I open boxes, so yeah, this is kind of gonna be like a big surprise for me. So if you have not yet subscribed and you want to after watching this video, I have a link down below that will get you a free gift when you sign up, and like I said, your first month is only $10, so definitely use that if you are interested. But anyways, let's get unboxing. So when I open the box, this is what I see. So there's like a little pamphlet with information on the products and stuff. And then there is this orange bag. So the past like 4 months we've been getting bags like this. And there's some things that are actually outside of that bag. So I'm just gonna set those down, toss this here. Way too small for my cats, but they'll probably still try and fit inside it. So the bag, I like the bright orange. It's a little different this month. Before it had like snap closures. This looks like, how do you open it? Oh, you guys, that took me like 30 seconds to figure out how to open. I'm a little slow, but there's like this little thing here, you just put it in to close it. So yeah, so you can see all the stuff that is inside. There's always like some pretty chick on here. And inside, they don't really give you like too much information on the products. It's like editors for Allure, giving like their reasons why they love these products. I'm guessing they picked them to be in here. So I'll probably just reference this for like pricing and stuff. And a lot of the times they do have promo codes for these items, so if any of you guys are interested, just leave a comment and I will let you know. So let's get started. How about we start with one of the items that is outside of the box. This is by Larizzi. We've gotten Larizzi before in other subscription boxes. I feel like I haven't gotten anything from them in a few months though. So this is lip gloss in Vibe. I wonder what color this will be. And this is full size. Definitely full size. Oh wow, this is like a nude. I never think of like glosses as like a nude. Doesn't that look more like a liquid lip? Let's see what it looks like when you swatch it. Oh yeah, it's definitely a glossy type. So that is the doe foot if you can see it. Oh, I like it actually. So it definitely is a gloss. It doesn't feel too sticky, but of course I'll have to try it on myself. Oh. My watch is going off. I'm laughing because my friend Candace just left a comment about like first world problems in my last video. I was like, oh my god, my watch goes off when I move my wrist. Like, happened again. Yeah, that made me giggle. So let's see what the price of this is. Wow, this is $20. Yeah, there is a promo code for this one. They say it's a pale pinkish nude that has a 60s vibe, I guess. But I'm excited to wear this. I think I actually will get a lot of use out of this. It looks way better swatched than in here. But yeah, so let's move on. Next thing is by Model Co. Another brand we seem to get in this box a lot, or in subscription boxes. But I think we have gotten Model Co. in a past Allure box, like a little eyeshadow trio. So this is another eyeshadow. This is Eyelight Metallic eyeshadow. Does it say a color on here? St. Bart's, I think is the color name. I have actually really liked these like liquid eyeshadows like for my lids lately. It's like a really quick look. Like I just put something in my crease and then do this. And this looks like a pretty color. I think we're supposed to get something like similar to this in BoxyCharm. I haven't opened mine yet. So there is like the doe foot applicator. Oh, it's a little chunky. This is like, yeah, pretty shimmer. I like it. And this is a good size too. I don't think this is full size or anything, but honestly, that's enough to get a lot of use out of it. So let's see what the full size would be. So So the full size is $12. That's a reasonable price. And they describe it as a bronzy champagne cream shadow that dries fast and doesn't crease or rub off. If it doesn't crease, that's extra awesome. That would be cool. I'll have to give that a shot too. All right, the next thing I see, I think it comes with this mitt. This is by Saint Tropez. This is the Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel for a natural looking glow in 3 hours. Things like this terrify me, but I clearly need it. I'm big into SPF and staying out of the sun. Probably like my healthiest habit, but that leaves me very pale. So, and this is the tan applicator mitt. I feel like if I did this stuff, I would just have like orangey body and like white hands, but I need to look into using it. I'm glad they gave us this though. Let's see if they give information on this or just their thoughts. So this is only, how much is in here? 24 mLs. The full size is 200 mLs, a lot bigger, and that's $44. And I guess they sell this at Ulta. And it says, of all the self-tanning formulas I've tested, the liquidy gel is a clear winner. It's easy to spread a thin coat over dry skin so I don't get any streaks or splotches. So it doesn't stain your clothes. I never even thought about that, yeah. Okay. I'll have to do a little bit more research. We got like tanning wipes last month and I still haven't used those. I feel like I'm more likely to use something like this than a wipe, because I feel like the wipe would just leave marks, but I know I need to get brave and just do it. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. The next thing is by Laneige. Ooh, a water-based moisture cream for normal to dry skin. I love their lip sleeping mask. I'm out of it right now, but I currently have like a Bite Beauty like sleeping mask, so I'm using that instead of purchasing a new one yet. I'm trying to like use up my stuff before I buy. Trying to be smarter about my purchases. So this is what it looks like. I think I have their like mask in this line, their water mask. I don't know if I've used it, but I definitely got a sample in one of my subscription boxes. I want to say my Sephora Play. All right, so the full size is $35. Not awful for a luxury brand. I mean, their lip mask is like $20, right? They quote Zoolander. According to Zoolander philosophy, moisture being the essence of wetness and wetness being the essence of beauty, this little blue jar is brimming with beauty. And I guess it's good for thirsty skin. They say they even put some under their eyes. I don't know, I'm kind of overloaded with skincare right now. In my last video I mentioned I'm going to be having a skincare video coming up. Well, I asked you guys if you were interested in it, and I think everyone said yes, because I'm really trying to review like specific skincare items, so I don't want to just like keep trying little samples of things. So someone may potentially win this, but unless I decide to keep this, I'm going to go through all my skincare and gather up some stuff, so look out for that in the near future. What are these? Anti-frizz sheets, portable hair luster sheets with coconut oil and UV protection. There's 2 of these. So you just tear open the packet, remove sheet, gently swipe hair from roots to ends with the sheet to tame your frizz, shine your waves, and define your curls. Well, I don't have any waves or curls, but I mean, my hair doesn't even get too frizzy. I've never heard of hair wipes like this. I feel like someone said they use fabric sheets on their hair. That just seems like putting chemicals in your hair, but I guess there's chemicals in everything. But I've heard someone say that before. Let's see what they say about this. So I guess they sell these on Amazon and they're $18 for a pack of 15 of them. And they said with just a few swipes it helps smooth, condition, and tame their double processed hair. So this lady's saying that she's like, no one has any more flyaways than she does and it works. So if you have flyaways, I bet this would be helpful. I have straight hair. I guess it could get not really, I don't know. So I mean, this isn't like exciting to me, to be honest. And it looks like there's only one more thing. I feel like something's missing. Maybe I'm just, oh no, never mind. This looks like a pretty good size. What is this? Lue or Lue by Jean Co. Erase, cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder. This definitely is a powder. Look at that. It says to mix a tablespoon of this with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply it to your face and let it dry for 1 minute. And then while still damp, gently massage away. The paste should come off like eraser peels. Weird. Taking blackheads off and reducing large pores. Well, I definitely have blackheads and large pores, so if that worked, that would be awesome. And it says, add a drop of water to continue erasing. That sounds so funny. If the paste dries, use twice a week or as needed. So there's milk in this, so I guess this isn't vegan. Interesting. Let's see what this is all about. So this is $15. Yeah, they say it's just an exfoliator. It unclogs pores, renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. Very soft. Okay. So that was everything. This definitely isn't my favorite month of Allure. I mean, it doesn't suck for $15. I feel like we got a decent amount of things. It's definitely, the value is greater than that, but like the past few months were so bomb. But let's go through it all just really quick again. So here is the bag for the month. I honestly have not reused any of them yet. If you guys have ideas, I mean, I'm just overloaded with these types of bags. I never really use them. So we got, well, the two things I'm the most excited about are the makeup items. That's is generally how I feel. We got a full-size lip gloss, which I honestly think I will get a lot of use out of. So this kind of makes the bag for me because this is $20. And the whole, I paid $15 for all of this. So, I mean, just this alone, I get my value out of it. And this little eyeshadow by Monaco, I really like this too. I think it's really pretty. Oh wow, yeah, it's dried down now and it's not rubbing or coming off. Like there's no glitter coming off on my finger at all. So this is awesome. So those two, yeah, definitely I'm excited about that. The tanning stuff, I mean, I'm not like a small girl. Will this be like one use? I don't know. I need to like look into it more. I need to just get over my fear. Like maybe just try it on my legs or something one day. And I do have like an in-shower tan thing by Saint Tropez. I never really noticed any like difference, but I kind of stopped using it. So I should try that out as well to kind of get myself back into the self-tanning game. So I mean, I'm okay having this, but it kind of sucks for people that got it that are already like deeper skin tone. Like what are they gonna do with that? But I guess it is summertime, so it makes sense, but not everyone can use it, so that's kind of unfair. This seems cool. Like I already mentioned, I'm kind of overwhelmed with my skincare routine right now. Not overwhelmed, I just have a lot that I'm loving and reviewing. But I think I might keep this one because if it can like reduce my pore size and take away blackheads, like I have so many and I use a pore strip twice a week, so I just want to see if that actually works. And Laneige, I like this brand, so maybe I'll get to this, maybe I'll go in a giveaway, either way. But and the least exciting thing for me are these little frizz sheets, but yeah, maybe I'll like throw these in a giveaway. Does anyone want these? I don't know. But anyways, that is everything. So I think they're having another collaboration. Like if you don't know, they've collaborated with some like YouTubers like Nikki Tutorials and Carly Bible, and those ones were really good. I feel like every 2 or 3 months they collaborate, and those are like the awesome boxes. So they didn't include any sneak peeks in this one like they have been, so I have no idea what's coming. But if you like this box or you like my past boxes, I have a playlist for most of my subscription boxes if you want to check them out before subscribing if you're not sold by this one. Because yeah, this definitely isn't my favorite, but I'm not mad about it, it's fine. But yeah, the link will be down below along with any giveaways I currently have going on. So thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!